This time, I bought something special. This time, I got iPhone 12 mini 128GB for only $238. And here's how it all happened. Finding iPhone 12 for a good price on eBay was quite a long hunt, but I was lucky to get one. It was iPhone 12 mini and I bought it for only $238, including shipping. The iPhone was listed as Apple iPhone 12 mini, red color, 64GB, iCloud locked. The same information was written in detailed description. No additional accessories were provided with the phone. There were only 2 photos of the phone, but according to them, the iPhone was almost like new. Once I explained the seller how to get the IMEI number of the phone from SIM tray, I received one. After checking the IMEI for iCloud and Career Lock, I found out that this iPhone has actually 128GB of storage, it is iCloud lock-free and Career Unlock model. That's a jackpot! Once I received the parcel, it was time to unbox it. Here is iPhone 12 mini, which I bought for only $238. Look how tiny it is comparing to other iPhones. This is the cheapest iPhone 12 so far. Unfortunately, it didn't have any accessories or box, but still it's a perfect deal. The first thing I will do is to check the IMEI number on the SIM tray, if it is the same as it was provided by the seller. And we have a match. They are identical, which is great. Now, let me check the iPhone's condition a bit closer. The front glass has some small scratches, nothing critical, but still they are pretty visible. Back glass is pristine, like new condition. The housing bezels look great as well. After some cleaning, it will be looking perfect. I haven't noticed any signs on the bottom screws, which means that they have never been moved before. Let me turn it on and see what is wrong with this iPhone. The iPhone is disabled. It is a similar case to iPhone 11 Pro Max that I recently bought. Go and check the video if you haven't seen it. Basically, all I need to do is to get this iPhone into the view mode and restore it to default settings. With the help of my MacBook, I can easily do it. Now let me connect the iPhone to the MacBook and proceed with restore. Getting into the view mode is pretty simple. You just need to follow these instructions. Press volume up button, volume down button, then press the power up button and hold it for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, simultaneously hold power up button and volume down button for 5 more seconds. After 5 seconds, release power up button and proceed holding volume down button until the phone is recognized by Mac. Let's follow the same steps. Great! Now the Mac recognized iPhone in the view mode and I can proceed with downloading newest firmware. Once the download is done, I can restore the iPhone. When restore is completed on the Mac side, the iPhone will be automatically restarted. The next step will be checking if the iPhone can be activated. Activation was successfully completed, and I can proceed with initial iPhone setup. Great! This is the exact iPhone, and IMEI corresponds the SIM tray. Now I can do some tests in order to check if all components work without any issues. After checking the battery health, I found out that this iPhone battery has 88% of the maximum capacity. The third-party application showed me that the battery has 305 cycle counts. The final step will be to clean the iPhone a bit to get it ready for the new owner. Now let's talk about the financial part of this project. iPhone 12 mini costed $238. Tax that I paid for the iPhone was $32. Shipping costed $10. So totally I spent $280 for the iPhone 12 mini. I expect to sell this iPhone in the range from $500 up to $550. So my potential profit can vary from $220 up to $270, meaning I can double my investment. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you want to see more, hit subscribe button. And I see you in the next one.